How to enter dark web in 2024? First of all, go and install Tor browser from the official website. I'm gonna be linking the official website down in the description. If you have your PC, if you have your phone, install the Tor browser, do all sort of formalities, and just open the Tor browser and just enter tor.taxi. And once you enter this URL bar, you will be redirected to this site, and from this site you can go and browse the dark web and you can explore a lot of new goodies. And what you see on the internet is only the tip of an iceberg. If you go to tor.taxi, you will see a lot of new stuff, and be aware of explicit content online. So this is a prior warning. Make sure you do it at your own risk, and make sure you do not go to all those sites which can invite viruses to your PC or Android device. Thank you so much for watching. This is only one step process how you can go and explore the hidden side of the internet, go and explore what's beyond the tip of the iceberg. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and I'll see you in my next one. Just remember the URL.